Welcome back, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 113. Solve for x in the following, and then we're given a quadratic inequality. So what we do here, we have to write it in standard form. Let's write it in standard form. So it's negative 2x squared plus 4x less than 0. And then let's divide everything here by negative 1 so that our graph is concave up. Okay, remember this is quadratic, which means that it's parabolic. So it's 2x squared minus 4x greater than, if you divide by everything by negative, the inequality sign changes, now greater than 0. Now it means our parabola is concave up. And then we can solve for x here by factorization. So let's factor out 2x. So 2x, and it becomes x minus 2 inside the bracket greater than 0. And then we get our critical values. So it means it's either 2x is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. So these are the critical values. Let's draw our x-axis here. We want to get our solutions now. And then our parabola is concave up. Then the critical values, we have 0 and 2. Right, where is the graph greater than 0? Above the x-axis here. And even this part also is above the x-axis. So it means when x is less than 0. And then when x is greater than 2. You see that? The numbers to the left-hand side of a number are less than that particular number. The numbers to the right-hand side of a number are greater than that particular number. You see that? So our solution here is x is less than 0 or x greater than 2. Right, you could have used the equation as it is for x minus 2x squared less than 0 without dividing everything by negative 1. So here we have the highest common factor, which is 2x. And then we have 2 minus x less than 0, meaning that 2x is equal to 0 or 2 minus x is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. So the critical values are the same. But now you take note, our inequality sign did not change. We're saying less than 0. And our graph is still concave down because the coefficient of x squared is negative. So our graph is concave down like this. These are the critical values, 0 and then 2. So where is the graph less than 0? Below the x-axis. Below the x-axis. This part is below the x-axis. This part is below the x-axis. So when x is less than 0 or when x is greater than 2. So the solution is the same, x less than 0 or x greater than 2.